Can you install APKs on LG Smart TVs?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're here to answer an intriguing question many of you have been asking. Can you install APKs on LG Smart TVs? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive right into the answer.
What is an APK?
To fully understand the answer, let's start with the basics. APK stands for Android Package, which is the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. Essentially, it's like a .x file for Windows, allowing you to manually install applications that might not be available on the official App Store.
Can APKs be installed on LG Smart TVs?
Now, coming to the main question, can you install APKs on LG Smart TVs? The answer is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. LG Smart TVs primarily run on webOS, a Linux kernel-based multitask operating system for smart devices like TVs and smartwatches, developed by LG Electronics. webOS does not support Android apps natively. So, in theory, you cannot directly install an APK on an LG Smart TV. However, there is a workaround to this limitation using an Android TV box or Firestick device which can run APKs and be connected to your LG Smart TV. Keep in mind, though, this involves additional cost and setup.
Is it safe to install APKs on my device?
While we're on the topic, it's essential to discuss the safety aspect. Installing APKs from unknown sources can expose your device to potential security risks such as malware. Only install APKs from trusted sources, and remember that this may also void your warranty. So, think twice before you decide to go down this path. So there we have it. While you cannot directly install APKs on an LG Smart TV due to the use of the webOS system, there are alternatives using additional devices like an Android TV box or Firestick. Always prioritize safety and ensure you're downloading APKs from reliable sources. We hope this video has been informative and answered your question effectively. Remember, the world of technology is vast and exciting, but it's always crucial to understand the ramifications of your actions. Stay safe and tech-savvy.